and welcome to this session on Safety Signs for Danger, Warning, Caution and Personal Safety Message and Safe Disposal of Waste Materials. Let us begin with the session.
Let us now take a look at the objectives of the session. At the end of the session, you will be able to state the basic safety signs, identify the basic categories of safety sign, state personal safety measures, state what is 5S, list the benefits of 5S, methods of waste disposal, identify and segregate the waste material in workshop, arrange the waste material in different bins. Now let us look at the safety signs which are mainly classified into 4 categories. They are prohibition signs, mandatory signs, warning signs, information signs. These categories of safety signs can be recognized based on the following colors: red, yellow or amber, blue, green. Now let us look at each one of these in detail. Red colored safety signs usually include prohibition signs, dangerous behavior, stop, shut down, evacuate signs, fire safety signs. Yellow or amber colored safety signs usually include warning signs, be careful, take precautions, examine signs. Blue colored safety signs usually include mandatory signs, specific behavior or action, wear protective equipment signs. Green colored safety signs usually include emergency escape, first aid signs, doors, exits, escape routes, equipment and facilities signs. Next, let us learn about prohibition signs. Prohibition signs indicate an action or behavior that is not permitted in the workplace. The signs are shown as a red circle with a red slash over a black icon of the action. The text is black on a white background. Next, let us learn about the mandatory signs. Mandatory signs provide specific instructions that must be carried out. The icons are in white over a blue circle. The text is black on a white background. Next, let us learn about warning signs. Warning signs warns of hazards or conditions that require special attention. These safety signs consist of a black triangle and an icon on a yellow background with black text. Next, let us learn about emergency signs. Emergency signs are general information signs which indicate the location or directions to emergency facilities. These signs feature a white symbol or text on a green background. Next, let us learn about information signs. These signs communicate information which is general in nature. These are shown by having a white icon with a blue background. The text is written in black. Next, let us learn about fire safety signs. Fire safety signs advise the location of fire alarms and firefighting equipment. They contain white symbols or text on a red background. Now let us know about housekeeping and waste disposal. Housekeeping is not just cleanliness, it includes keeping work area neat and orderly, maintain floors free of slip, removing waste materials and other fire hazards in work area. 5S is a Japanese methodology for workplace organization. In Japanese, it stands for SEIRI, sort, SEITON, set in order, SEISO, shine, SEIKETSU, standardize, and SHITSUKE, sustain. Sort. The first S focuses on eliminating unnecessary items from the workplace that are not needed for current production operations. A red tag is placed on all items that are not important for operations or that are not in the proper location or quantity. Set in order. The second S, once the red tag items are identified, these items are then moved to a central holding area for subsequent disposal, recycling, or reassignment. Shine. Once the clutter that has been clogging the work areas is eliminated and remaining items are organized, the next step is to thoroughly clean the work area. Standardize. Once the first 3 5S's have been implemented, the next pillar is to standardize the best practices in the work area. Sustain. Making a habit of properly maintaining correct procedures is often the most difficult S to implement and achieve. The benefits of the 5S system are increases in productivity, increases in quality, reduction in cost, improves morale of the works and reduces accident. It gives satisfaction to customers. It enables overall improvement, better hygienic condition leading to improved health. Now let us know about disposal of waste material. Industrial waste is the waste produced by industrial activity such as mills, mines, and factories. Typical list of industrial waste material: cotton waste, metal chips of different material, oily waste such as lubricating oil, coolant, etc., other waste such as electrical, glass, etc. Methods of waste disposal. Recycling. Recycling of waste is any recovery operation by which waste materials are reprocessed into products, materials, or substances, whether for original or for other purposes. Compositing. This is a natural process that is completely free of any hazardous byproducts. This process involves breaking down the materials into organic compounds that can be used as manure. Landfills. Waste management through the use of landfills involves the use of a large area. This place is dug open and filled with the waste. Burning the waste material. If you cannot recycle, or if there are no proper places for setting up landfills, you can burn the waste matter generated in your household. Controlled burning of waste at high temperatures to produce steam and ash is a preferred waste disposal technique. First step of disposal of waste material involves collection and segregation of the waste. Once after collecting the waste, separate the cotton waste. Collect the chips by hand shovel with help of a brush. Do not handle the chip by bare hand. There may be different metal chips, so Separate the chip according to the metal. Separate the cotton waste material and store in the bin provided to store the waste cotton material. Similarly, store each category of metal chip in separate bins. Color code for bins for waste segregation. For paper, it is blue. For plastic, it is yellow. For metal, it is red. For glass, it is green. For food, it is black. And for others, it is sky blue. To recap, we have learned to state the basic safety signs, identify the basic categories of safety sign, state personal safety measures, state what is 5S, list the benefits of 5S, methods of waste disposal, identify and segregate the waste material in workshop, arrange the waste material in different bins.
So that's all about safety signs for danger, warning, caution and personal safety message and safe disposal of waste materials. See you in the next session.